Hello and welcome. This video is brought to you by thestreamingadvisor.com. Tailor your entertainment with streaming. Today we're going to be talking about a somewhat hidden feature of the UT3 from Ugoos. UT3 is a set-top box we've previewed on this show before. It runs XBMC very well, Android not so much, but what we're looking at today is the HDMI in, which is an extra HDMI port on the side of the Ugoos box. Most set-top boxes have an HDMI out for connecting to a television, but this allows you to plug another HDMI device into the box itself. You're going to find it in all apps. So you're going to go to the all apps, navigate to HDMI in, and we'll show you what's on the other side. So, when we access the HDMI in slot, here we are with a Roku streaming stick. It turns out the HDMI in will behave exactly like the HDMI port on a TV. This is great because it means that while the device takes up one HDMI slot, it gives one right back. And just in case you are wondering, the devices that are plugged into the HDMI in slot do in fact function correctly. Just to prove it, I'm going to load up a video from CNET. CNET is one of my go-to apps here. This isn't my primary Roku, obviously, but we'll open up Cracking Open. And we'll give it a second to load videos. Let's press start. And
hello.
Here we are.
5 Hour Energy's taste is new and improved.
Good for you.
Every flavor. Berry, orange, pomegranate.
That is just a really great feature of the UT3, I've got to say. And even cooler, its USB port will actually power something like the Roku streaming stick. I did the same experiment with a Chromecast and it worked equally well. The videos loaded straight to the Chromecast just like they were plugged directly into the television. So if you have a UT3 out there and you haven't experimented with this, give it a look. I mean, you can plug in, another Android device. You could have multiple XBMC builds available all through the HDMI in. I just think that this is a really cool feature of a decently priced device. For more information on streaming, the UT3, the Roku, and anything else streaming news and reviews wise, check us out at www.thestreamingadvisor.com. Subscribe to this channel on YouTube and share it with your friends. I'm Ryan Downey, the Streaming Advisor. Stream on, my friends.